Okay, let's say when we get into this area here, we want to send a signal to the robot cell saying, hey, we're coming in to receive the package, right? Maybe it's a pallet and we have a conveyor on top of our AMR, and there's a pallet offloading from a robot cell onto our AMR. So we can say, hey, we're on our way, we're almost there, before getting there and send the signal, just in case maybe there's some time that it takes for whatever that process is to happen to hand it off to the AMR. Maybe you have to open up a door. That's actually an extremely good method. If you have like automatic doors, you can set up your AMR to communicate with that automatic door to open up for the AMR, which is really good, because then like certain operations, like, or certain companies and manufacturing facilities, like if they have doors there, maybe it's mandatory that that door has to remain there. You need something like this IO signal in that area, evacuation zone. So this is kind of like another safety thing. These are also, if you notice, it says fleet. These are fleet options. We haven't really talked about that much at all, but you have AMR that runs on single unit, or you have AMR that runs on a fleet system, right?